up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my why am I standing up like this? Or welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. My name is Diona, and it is my first video of 2024. Even though you've probably seen other videos that I've already released this year, this is my first one I'm recording in 2024, so I'm really excited. Got some good things to come this year. Some changes coming for sure. I think some much needed changes, so just keep a lookout. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video. The hair that I am installing today is from West Kiss. All the information for this, I don't know why I said it like that. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So let's get into it. I have not done curly hair for a hot little minute actually. And so this is a 4x7 16-inch curly wig. The texture, it just says curly wig, so it's curly. This is a close-up of what the texture looks like. I can tell like this is gonna look really pretty when I install it. So this is their pre-cut, oh God, my hands are ashy. Okay, so this is their pre-cut lace, pre-bleached, pre-plucked unit. So this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. I did absolutely nothing to prep this hair. They do all the work for you. This is what the inside looks like, and the lace and the construction of this wig. So it's on a dome cap, of course. You have your elastic band, which is removable, and the band has this silicone film right here that keeps it from sliding. This has combs in it as well, one at the back and then 2 combs at the sides. So this wig, I can tell, is going to be a super easy install, and it looks like it's going to be really cute, like once you like spruce up the curls and everything. So I'm really excited to install this hair. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and slide off this bonnet here. I have some like funky braids going on, per usual, hair slicked back, because I was already in another wig that I just took off. So, but you can prep your hair however you need to. If you want to do braids, if you want to do a slick back ponytail, anything to keep your natural hair flat underneath the wig, whatever works for you, do it by all means. But now I'm just gonna take the wig cap that they gave and slide it on. Oh, now my eyebrows. Slide it on, slide it back like this. And of course, I need more of this now, but I'm taking my Ruby Kisses cream makeup and my flat top brush to color the wig cap. There's 2 colors in here, a darker and a lighter one, but it looks like I'm hitting pan already. I need some more because I use this literally for every install. Okay, now that that's done, I'm just gonna take a little more of this makeup and I'm gonna run it along the inside of the lace, because the inside of lace tends to be a little bit lighter than where they bleach it, and I just want it to blend a little bit better. So all right, so we got that. Now I'm gonna slide on the wig. I have a medium-sized cap. I didn't adjust the bands or anything. I'm just gonna try to slide it on as is, and then if I need to adjust something, then I will pull this forward. Oops. And it fits comfortably around my ears. That's important. Ooh, and I like that it's snug. So it's already laying really flat, like across the front, like without me having to do anything. So I could tell that this is going to be cute, and it already looks really natural. Like, look at this. This is cute. Not even do nothing to it. This is it fresh out the box. This already looked like my real hair. All right, so honestly, if you just wanted to define the curls and keep it moving, you could, but y'all know me. I have to throw some baby hairs in here because I'm just a baby hair queen. I don't know why. One day I will break out of that nasty baby hair habit, but for today, for now, I'm gonna throw some in. So I'm just going to do that really quickly. Then of course taking my handy dandy Eco Gel. Alright, so while I let my edges sit, I'm just going to define these curls here. I'm going to split the hair in half and just do one section at a time. Sometimes I like to do 4 sections depending on how thick the hair is or how I'm feeling. I'm feeling kind of lazy right now. I ain't even hold you, so I'm gonna do one section at a time. Plus, I mean, this hair isn't that long, so I don't really need to do 4 sections. But I'm just gonna take my water. I'm using my curl activator from Cream of Nature. It looks like this. And then my little brush like this to like define these curls. And I think I'm actually going to diffuse them as well, just to help dry them and define the curls some more. And you can just see the difference between the two. Now, I'm not going to leave it wet like this. I'm going to dry this side, but you can just see one side's poofy, one side's not. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like wet. If you ever intend on doing like the wet look, this is what it will look like. These curls are also very, very soft. But I'm actually going to diffuse them now, which is like drying them. So I'm taking my handy dandy blow dryer, this little diffuser comb, and I'm just going to diffuse my hair. I'm going to do this on the cool setting. So it's not all the way dried. I didn't do it all the way because I'm still not done with my hair. I still have a couple more finishing touches. So I figure like as I'm doing my hair, it'll dry some more. But this is what it's looking like. And now I'm just going to take my wax stick from Edge Booster and my freeze spray and just define the parting space. I'm going to take just the leftover that's on my wax stick and just brush it across the front. But I honestly don't even need that because it just blends very, very well. Like, this was a very, very simple wig to install. And here we are. What do y'all think? This is the back. And of course, it is completely glueless, a really easy install. Yeah, so this may be like my new go-to curly wig because it's like a 4x7, so you just slide it on and off. It's really easy. It's glueless. It's like already pre-plucked and everything, so everything is already done. And I love how these curls look. Like the curls, it looks really natural. And the hair is lightweight. Like it's not very heavy at all. Even though it looks full, it's light. So it barely feels like you have anything on your head, to be honest with you. But yeah, like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.